Hello everybody, it's Miss Bonnie from the Bastrop Public Library. We are getting ready for summer. It's a new recipe this year. Hope I have everything. All right, let's get started. I forgot something. I'll be right back.
Ooh, summer reading. Okay, so let's add story time and baby time on Zoom. And let's not forget activity packets. Okay, reading. Don't forget to read. Summer reading. Ooh, coffee with Catherine and Carrie. Crafters Anonymous. Reading. Everybody, don't forget to read. Also, audiobooks count too.
Summer reading is here and I'm so excited. Virtual Teen 30s on Discord and fun things for adults like trivia and laugh, cry, cringe. And teens, don't forget, fan fiction totally counts.
Well, you can see we've all been working on this. We are so ready. The only thing left to add is prizes. Lots of prizes. And live Facebook challenges the very first week of summer reading, Monday through Friday at 1:30. That looks pretty full, right? But we forgot fun. We all know summer's fun, and this year will be no different. It's a new recipe, but it's still summer reading. We're gonna have a good time. We start on June 15th. See you on Facebook.